How to access and use Audible originals. Hello everyone, welcome to another Audible tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can access and use Audible originals. The first step is to launch the Audible application and sign in with your Amazon account. Then after that, scroll down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought to your profile page. Now, if you have not gotten the premium version of your Audible account, you cannot access Audible Originals. But if you've gotten the premium version, just like I have done here, you would see that the Audible Premium Plus would be just below your profile picture. So then you can click on view account, and by clicking on view account, you can see the benefits that are open to you. You can check out thousands of audio books, you can stream them, you can browse them online, and then you can also explore the wide selection of Audible originals, exclusive series, podcasts, and even live performances. You can enjoy all of this by upgrading your account to the Premium Plus. So in order for you to access and use Audible originals, ensure you upgrade your account from the free version to the Premium Plus version, and you are good to go. You can even tap on any title to start streaming or download it to your library for offline listening. It's as cool as that. So this is how it works, okay? Make sure you try it out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.